Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Okay, today we are going to do something similar to what we've been doing, which is multiplication facts and learning all of the tricks to 1 times 1 and 2's and the 3's. So right now what we're going to do is use what we learned and apply it to real life situations, real life math situations. So for example, as y'all can see, I have a figure me out chart that we're going to do later on in class and that y'all are going to make later on in class. Before we do that, we're gonna watch a video that's called the multiplication wrap, which is similar to the tricks we've learned. It's just gonna be an overview to help out for what activity we're fixing to do. So let's watch that first. So that was some facts that we have gone over. Did you remember some of the tricks that we learned
Yes.
in class? Okay. So right now I'm going to pull up a multiplication chart to help with the activity that we're going to do and just to refresh your memory about some of them. Right now we're going to look at my figure me out chart. And what I did is I took some numbers that I have in my life, for example, my age, my shoe size, number of people in my family, number of pets I own, and number of letters in my name. And I'm using multiplication numbers and facts to represent what numbers these equal. And so we're going to do this as a class right now for an example, and then y'all will be able to create your own, and you can even create your own questions if you'd like. And so let's start with my age. So what is 5 times 4? Does anyone know? Try not to use the chart.
20.
20, very good. Okay, so my age, I took 5 times 4 equals 20. So, question, could I do this right here? We learned this yesterday. Could I flip them and would it equal the same?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good, very good. So, when you're thinking of what to use, you can flip them and it's the same exact thing. And then if we get into numbers where multiplication doesn't apply, we'll use addition to implement that. My shoe size. 3 times 2. Zach, what do you think that is?
6.
6. Very good. And then how can we flip it? Can you flip it for us?
2 times 3.
Very good. 2 times 3 equals 6 still. Okay. Number of people in my family. Carla? 3 times 1.
3.
3. And then can you flip it for us, Heath?
1 times 3.
1 times 3. So that's the same thing. You're going to get the same product. And the product is what it equals. That's the product. Number of people I own. Number of pets I own, excuse me. 1 times 1. Does anyone know?
1.
1. Very good. And then flipping that is the same exact thing. Okay, number of letters in my name. 4 times 4. Heath, do you know?
16.
16. Okay. So, there's some examples of what questions you can use for your Figure Me Out. And what we're going to do is we're going to create our own, and we're going to mix them all up and handle to a partner. And they're going to have to try to figure out who theirs is. So it's a mystery is what we're going to play. So I'm going to hand y'all out some papers. And then I'm going to turn on another song while y'all are doing it. And we're going to have those charts pulled up as well. So you choose 5 questions. Y'all can use the ones that I have. And then draw a picture in the middle of it. So you're going to have your 4 and then 1 at the bottom. And then draw a picture of yourself in the middle of it. To represent you. And then we'll swap with a partner in a little bit. You need that? I'm going to do this Uptown Funk one for y'all. And we'll just listen to it and we'll have the multiplication up if y'all need it. Another one you can do is your birth date if you would like. Your birth month. Good, Carla. Very good. Looks good. Yes, that's very good, Zachary. You might trick someone on that one. Okay, when you're done, if you'll flip it over so I know that you're done, and then we'll be able to swap our things. And I'll do 1 too, so we'll have an even number to switch with. to start presenting. What we're going to do is we're going to swap with a partner, and then we will have a mystery together and figure out which chart goes to which person in our classroom. Okay, so let's turn them over. And we'll try to guess, and I'll hand random ones to everyone. Okay, so who wants to go first? I'll go first, and I'll explain kind of what I want to do. Okay, so here is the Figure Me Out chart, and it says my age. And it says 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 equals what, class?
10.
10. Very good. So this person is 10 years old. Number of people in my family. 3 times 1.
3.
3. Okay. Number of letters in my name. 5 times 1. 5. Very good. My shoe size. 3 times 3.
9.
9. Okay. And my birth month. 6 times 2.
12.
12. Okay. So right now, let me write down what all we have. Her age is 10. And when you come and present, you need to write it so we can all have it out for you. Family, 3 times 3 is what? 3 times 1?
3.
3. Letters in name, 5 times 1.
5. Right.
Very good. 5 times 1 is 5. Shoe size, which is 3 times 3.
9.
9. And finally, birth month is 6 times 2. Okay. Which is 12. I apologize. So let's first start off with the letters in name. So there's 5. So Zach, how many letters are in your name?
4.
4. So that's not yours. What about Heath? How many letters are in your name? H-E-A-T-H. So that's 5 there. So we have it between 2. It's not Zach anymore. Shoe size, 9. And birth month is 12. So what month is 12?
December.
December. Okay. So Heath, do you have a December birthday?
No.
Okay. So that means who is our cat? Carla. Very good. Okay. So that's her. So will you present yours next?
Yes.
Okay. If they didn't use the same questions, you can just write it on there.
My age, 11 times 2.
Which is, class?
22.
22. Okay.
That's old.
That is old, yes.
Thank you.
For multiplication.
Number of people in my family, 7 times 1.
7 times 1. What times 1? If a number is 1 and it's multiplied by it, what is it?
Yeah.
7.
It. Very good, Zachary.
This is number of pets.
Okay.
4 times 4 times 1.
4 times 1. Same exact thing as this one. What is it, class? 4 times 1. 4.
Number of letters in my name, 8 times 2.
That's difficult. So 8 is doubled. That's what it means. So what's 8 plus 8?
16.
16. So 16 goes right there. That's our
Okay.
product. Remember, that's what it equals to. Okay. So first off, let's start off with letters in name. We already said that Heath has 5 letters and Carla has 5 letters. How many do I have?
Full name?
Full name.
said 16.
16, so we're the same. Okay, so what about my age though? Do you remember how old I said I was? 5 times 4.
20.
20, so that's different. So we've done
It's not
you.
you.
It's not me, and it's not you.
It's
So
Zach.
it's Zach. Very good.
Is it you,
So
Zach?
It's me.
It's Zach.
Zachary's the mystery man. Okay, so Zach, will you present yours next?
Sure.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. My mystery person, their age is 9 times 5.
Okay.
That's real old.
So what age is that? 9 times 5. We can count by 5s to do it. Remember? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40,
45.
45. So 45 is our what class?
Age.
Our age and product. That's what our product is.
Yes. Let's see. Let's go with shoe size next. It's 11 times 1.
You have very good handwriting, Zachary.
Thank you.
11 times 1. So 1 is being multiplied by 11.
11.
11. Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Number of pets is 2 times 1.
Same thing here. 2 times 1 is 2.
Let's see. Birth month. 7 times 1.
He, you have a lot of odd numbers in your name, don't you?
We don't know that it's him yet.
Very good. Very good.
Let's see here. And number of brothers. 1 times 1.
Which is class
1.
1. Very good, Carla. Okay. So, can you show us the drawing? It's a very nice smiley face. No hints there. Okay, so our age is 45. We've already done Zach and Carla. And so it's between me and he. Okay, so age is 45, shoe size is 11, birth month is 7, pets is 2, and brothers is 1. Well, one fact that y'all might not know about me is I'm an only child. So I do not have any brothers. So who would that make the mystery person?
He.
Heath. Very good, yes. Okay, Heath, do you mind presenting yours? Okay. Last one, so it's pretty easy. I apologize, but I wanted to do this mystery thing. So for one, you're learning your multiplication facts, and for two, you're also having to infer about what the other person's age is and to draw conclusions by marking the people out who have already been chosen.
Mine says birth month is 7 times 1.
So 7 times 1 is what, class?
7.
7. Okay, so question real quickly. When we have odd numbers, why is everyone doing 7 times 1 if it's an odd number and 3 times 1? Does anyone know? When you have odd numbers like 7 and 3, it doesn't have any more products like 3 times 2 is 6. It doesn't have any more that equals it. So all they're left to do is do 7 times 1 in this activity if they have an odd number.
Letters in this person's name is 8 times 2.
Okay, so what is 8 times 2? Equal, class?
16.
We've already had that one. Very good.
Number of people in my house, that's family, ain't
Yes, correct.
it? Is 3 times 1.
Like we talked about before, 3 times 1. Good.
And number of pets I own is 1 plus 0.
Okay, so there I threw in something differently, or the person did. What is 1 plus 0?
1.
1. Okay, so who's the only person left in this mystery?
Miss Hines.
Miss Hines, correct. So, from this we worked with our multiplication facts. We learned how to use our multiplication facts to apply it to our everyday situations. So tomorrow we're going to do something similar. I would like for you to do a figure me out at home and do a mystery game with your family, and so you learn more about the people in your family and you learn how to apply multiplication to real life situations. Thank y'all very much.